I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charger is set to 12V and a suitable amp rate for the battery. This controls charge speed and safety. Once done, put on eye protection and remove metal jewelry to avoid shorts. Make sure the vehicle is off and in park or neutral, then locate battery terminals and clean corrosion with a wire brush if present. Now connect the charger clamp to the positive terminal first, because that minimizes sparking near hydrogen gas. Then get ready to attach the negative clamp. Once the clamps are secure, clamp the negative to a grounded metal part if the battery is in the car, which reduces explosion risk. Next, choose the charge mode: trickle for maintenance, standard for routine recharge, or fast when you need quick power. Adjust amperage accordingly. Turn the charger on and watch the meter. Expect around 12.6 volts on a healthy resting battery. Charging voltage will rise. Make sure ventilation stays good, and periodically check temperature and connectors for heat or corrosion. To finish, turn the charger off and then remove the clamps in reverse order: negative first, then positive to lower spark risk. If the battery won't reach adequate voltage, test it with a multimeter and, if available, a hydrometer to check specific gravity. A bad cell or sulfation may prevent charging. If the charger shows error codes or the clamps get hot, stop and inspect cables, fuses, and connections. When in doubt, consult a technician. Charging faults can indicate deeper electrical problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.